Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I am bringing you to a Christmassy unboxing because it is going to be my Kithmas package or unboxing in general. And yeah, this actually arrived a lot sooner than I was expecting because it said that you should allow 3 to 8 days or 3 to 8 business days, and then on top of that a possible 1 to 2 weeks just in general for the shipping to occur. Instead it arrived like that, like a week and a bit, and yeah, I got my shipping email. So yeah, congrats, not even congrats, just big up to Kith for shipping so quickly. But yeah, we're just going to get straight into this. That's about it. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so this is my Kith package, obviously. Yeah, somehow they've managed to fit it into one box like this. So yeah, I'm just going to move these pillows out of the way to make life easier, sit it next to me, and let's open it up because there's nothing else to say, to be honest. I've been waiting for my Supreme package, but I've only got the beanie so far. I haven't seen anyone actually, or I haven't seen so far anyone actually post success for the plum hoodie being shipped to them. I've seen every other colourway except for mustard so far and plum, mainly plum. There's been no plum. I've seen one mustard, but apart from that I've seen like 0 of them. So, but anyway, this is about Kith. So yeah, they managed to fit it all in one box. Obviously with it being Christmas, I've got a Christmas tee on. I've had this tee for about, or t-shirt, for 5 years now, and I've never worn it because it never actually fit me properly. So this is the first Christmas that I'm actually wearing it. Fortunately the graphic hasn't like degraded too badly, but yeah. Regardless, let's just get into this unboxing. I am just brilliant at opening packages and nearly hitting myself with a pair of scissors as well is another new skill of mine, clearly. Okay, the moment I've been waiting for, people probably haven't been waiting for, but here we go. Kithmas 2021. Now they do have a lot of other pieces in their collection of like Star Wars and such coming out, but yeah, this is how it looks. It looks cool. It looks really cool. Okay, I haven't ordered from their Monday program. I've tried to, but I haven't ordered like as of recent time. And then we can go through things one at a time. So straight from the top, I suppose. So this is the packaging. This is going to be the, I want to save this, to be honest, like best till last type of scenario. But this is how things ship from them, which I am very surprised at. It's really cool. You've got Kith Monday program, all 0s on the back. So I'm going to move that one to the side. It's the same for this one, which I know what this is going to be. So I'm going to put that to the side as well. So we're going to kick off with some simple or more simplistic things like, wow, that is massive. The stocking. Jesus. Okay, Supreme's one was like that for £58 or £60. Kith for 30 something pounds. Are you kidding me? That's insane. Right, where do I even open it from? Here. I was like, I didn't order a scarf. Like, I didn't order anything like that. Jeez. Oh, and it's really soft as well. That's insane. Hey, like, honestly, that's amazing, Kith. That's really cool. I will sit that, I guess, like that. Maybe to my right, like that. Yeah, I'll sit it like that, I suppose. Okay, next up we have the Mittens, coming in another little cool Kith bag. They really customise their bags, don't they, to like a good degree. So these are really expensive, aren't they, realistically? So these are the convertible mittens in the stadium green, you know, colourway. Yeah, obviously they say Kith there. They are really soft, wow. And the buttons even say Kith too. That's cool. Things that I didn't even notice. As you can see, it says Kith. So yeah, these are the convertible mittens. So trying to figure out which hand's which. If that goes over, it's clearly that way, so that's right hand. That's a little bit of a tight fit, Kith. It's a tiny bit of a tight fit. I'll make it work, I'll make it work. Yeah, they're nice though. They're really nice. Yeah, they're really cool. Then obviously you take that around the button and close them off. That's really cool. How I'm going to get them off, I don't know. Careful, like, a little bit on the tight side, but it's all good, it's all good. The only disappointing thing is that I wish I had a pair of like green shoes or something to match, because I've got a pair of Jordan 1s, but my feet have got a little bit smaller. A lot of things that used to fit me extremely well and used to be really comfortable, there's a little bit, you know, of space now. So in one thing I've got like a UK 10.5, which is just no chance. In another thing I've got a UK 10, which might still be okay because of how the shoes fit in general. But in the Jordans, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like they might not fit anymore, which is really disappointing. So anyway, regardless, let's carry on with the Kith, or with my Kithmas. So this is going to be the Rubik's Cube, or the Christmas Rubik's Cube. I don't know why there's a piece of tape there. I'm guessing it's meant to like hold it in place. But yeah, if we turn it that way, oh, that's cool. I would have got the snow globe over this, but you know, Rubik's Cube is a Rubik's Cube at the end of the day. So yeah, wow, that is cool. Okay, it's a lot smaller than I was expecting, to be honest. It's definitely smaller than I was expecting, but there you go. I don't know if this will even focus, but probably not. But there it is. So you've got the different sides, and you've got a little Kith to it, and it sits like that in the end in the box. So yeah, it's a really nice box as well, really cool packaging. They've like gone all out for all of these things. So I know a lot of people are a bit, you know, like hit and miss with Kith, you know, like some people almost detest them in the end, but I feel that they just never miss. No, they never miss. They always put out either great like photo shoots, or like when they're releasing something or releasing a collection, they always get in like really high profile celebrities in and just have great photo shoots across the board. And yeah, I feel they just don't miss. They don't miss. They do not miss. Okay, next up is going to be one of the last sort of couple of pieces where we've got the pillow, the Christmas pillow, or yeah. Everything is a lot larger than I was expecting. Like, first you have the stocking that is just huge, and now I've got this that is absolutely massive. I mean, it did cost a pretty penny or two, I will be honest, but that is really cool, and that is huge, and yeah, it is really soft as well. So this is going to go in the background on my my setup, basically. This is going to go behind me. So yeah, it's so soft, oh my god, but it's really cool. So there you go, that looks a bit better, doesn't it? And then you've got the stock in there. There's a little card in here. Oh no, it's not a card, it's the sticker pack. I was going to say we've got cards. No, it's the sticker pack. I thought that something was like shaking around and moving around in the box. Yeah, it's their sticker pack. Now online they updated the picture to show it coming in like a click, you know, almost like this, but like Palace, where you've got a little like click sort of packet of sorts, but I guess not for Kith. But yeah, there are these stickers and the sticker pack in general. So yeah, now let's move on to the pieces that I'm looking forward to the most. So we'll go with the one that I won't be trying on for the time being. I wish that they had it in like an easier to open way. Of course they don't. It's just rip it open, isn't it, Kith? Why do you do this to me? Is it? Am I getting this wrong? There's no other way to like get into it, so no, there is. I was going to rip it. There is. It's straight at the top. I'm a complete idiot. I was just about to tear it. Always look at what you're going to open. I was just about to tear it open. Right. This is going to be the National Lampoon Christmas Vacation tee with Chevy Chase on it. I can move this box out of the way now. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, this is sick. Oh, that's sick. It looks quite large, I will be honest, but look at that. That's sick. And that's like felt as well for the Kith logo. So you've got the speckle snow all over it. It is a rather, I might have to try it on. I don't know. Now I'll leave it off. I'll try it on after I've finished this, because I don't want to be disappointed on camera if it doesn't fit. But yeah, there it is. I'm so excited that, oh, I'm just so happy that this was like one of the collaborations or one of the pieces in the end, because it just makes my day, because I am a massive like Christmas Vacation fan as an overall. So yeah, it really is like cool. So we're going on to the piece that I'm really looking forward to, that I will be trying on. So I'm gonna kick this box out of the way, which is going to be where's the actual name for it? It's going to be the Claremont Sherpa quarter zip in green. Now blue was the more popular colourway. It is what it is. I feel that green is a very much so more Christmassy colour, and yeah, the blue was really nice, but oh wow, this is really nice. So let's get the paper out of the way. Is there any more? No, that's it. Okay, there it is, I can hear it. Here it is anyway, the Claremont. Oh my god, look at this. So obviously you've got the snow, you've then got the design, and then you've got the design in massive on the back. So yeah, let's just throw this on. Please let it fit, by the way. Like oh, that's really soft material on the inside. Please fit, please, for the love of God, fit. To be honest, yeah, I think it might be okay. Does that look okay? Please, I mean, it's at the wrist. At the sleeve, I feel like it's a little short, like it's like the tiniest bit short. But if I'd got a size up, like I've got a good amount of like space in it, so I feel like it wouldn't have fit if I'd gone for the large in the end. So I'd prefer to have this little bit of like shortness on the wrist than having it massively oversized. But yeah, that is going to cover this unboxing. I'm going to have to go and get a load of hangers now to hang stuff up on, or just to put stuff up in general. But yeah, this is obviously everything that I got in the end, and yeah, that is going to cover it from me. If you enjoyed, you know, like, much appreciated. Other than that, let me know if you ordered anything from Kith for their Kithmas, you know, collection, or any of the other pieces that they've released or are going to be releasing, because they do have a couple more drops left for like the Kithmas season. Regardless, I'm gonna try this on in a minute as well, just to check that it's all okay, because now I'm worried about sizing. And yeah, then I'm just going to set everything else up, or put everything else up. So yeah, that is going to cover it from me. It is a perfect fit. Oh, it's great. It fits perfectly. Kith is built on the foundation of friends and family, kith and kin. Those who resonate with our belief in solidarity belong to the tight-knit culture Kith embodies. By purchasing this item, you are part of our family, and our family is who we represent. But yeah, that is going to do it for me. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, yeah, I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.